Let's talk about the poor quality of replacement parts we're getting for classic cars. Years back, we didn't really have much choice in buying new. Starter relays, electronic devices, engine mounts, trans mounts, wheel bearings. It was across the board, you had limited choice. And within the last 10 or 15, 20 years, manufacturers started making replacement parts, especially the electronic stuff. Anything electrical or electronic, like ignition systems, voltage regulators, that stuff is horrible today. It doesn't last. Those parts are made to get your show car on and off the trailer to and from the show. That's it. If you try to put any use into them, they'll die in a year or two. It's really sad. I'm pretty much giving up on buying replacement parts for a car that I really want to drive. Road trip, power tour, weekend trips out of town. The thing's going to die on you. And you've got all brand new parts in there. It's happened. Even aftermarket stuff, MSD ignitions, they don't hold up more than a few years. So let's get down to this one little part right here. This is an original factory OE starter relay for a 72 Plymouth. You can buy these. For one, they don't weigh as much as this. For two, the internal parts are nowhere near the quality of this one on the inside. Even though this thing is 50 some years old, you can see how it was put together. This thing was put together to last. That's why it's still working after 50 years. Now, I should have started this video before I opened this up and cleaned it, but you can still see there's a little oxidation in there I got to get rid of. It was all covered in oxidation. Scrape it off, use a little wire wheel on a Dremel. Clean the thing up. It's presentable. It doesn't look new, but this thing will go another 50 years. Your little contact right there is very important to clean that. This is, what is this? 7,000. It's just a piece of paper I had sitting around. Very fine grit. It's just a little stronger than using a piece of cardboard. Slide it up in there between the contacts. Put a little pressure on the contacts and work it around. That'll clean and polish those contacts without really taking off too much meat. But it gets the crud and the oxidation and the little parts of material, little pieces of material that have arced over the years. Cleans it all up, makes it look fresh again. Up in here where this goes down, clean that out. Be very careful not to break these little wires or you'll be buying a crappy new one. But I'm kind of giving up on a lot of the new parts that you buy. They just don't hold up. And if this one's proven itself. It's been working for 50 years. Clean it up, give it a little love, it'll work another 50 years. I'm going to take my chances with a cleaned up old part over a brand new part that has proven to fail in a short period of time. It's just disgusting what we're going through. We were all excited we could get new parts 10, 20 years ago. Now they've turned into garbage. You're buying new parts, but they're for show only. They're garbage. Clean up your original stuff and reuse it if you can. It's not that difficult. These things are mostly held in with little bent tabs. Bend them back, clean all the crud up, polish it up a little bit, and reuse it. I think in the long run, we're going to be better off. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you got a little bit out of this video, and talk to you soon.